So I'm going to skip my setting spray for this video because I simply don't want to get up to grab it and it's across the room. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to bronze up my face because I look extra pale today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we are going to be doing a Valentine's date night look type thing, because Valentine's is like, from me filming this video, it's like 3 days away, something like that. So I'm just going to be showing you what type of look I think I'm going to do for Valentine's Day. If not, it's an option for you to do for Valentine's Day if you are going out on a date or going out with your friends or something like that, you know? So I'm really excited to get into this and just start playing with makeup. Okay, so I normally do my face first and then my eyeshadow, but today, since I think I'm going to be doing a little bit more of a glam look, I'm going to do my eyes first. So I'm going to start off with my MAC Paint Pot. This is to prime your lids. You can also use concealer to prime your lids, but I'm a little bit bougier than a beginner, so I like to use this because it covers my eye veins or whatever they're called, and then keeps my eyeshadow on super long. Like, I can literally, this is gross, but I can sleep in it and it will stay on. I don't normally sleep in my makeup, but some nights I get really tired and I just sleep in my makeup, okay? So, eye primer is on. Now we're going to move on to my non-existent brows. I'm just gonna fill in my brows and I'll be right back. By the way, this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, so brows are on. Now I'm just gonna conceal them. Now, I know you're thinking, oh, just a regular concealer will work for concealing your eyebrows. But I'm here to tell you that concealers with concealing your eyebrows works totally different, like different ones do. And the one that I always swear by for concealing my eyebrows is the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. And I don't know why, I don't know the details of it, but it just works better than my regular concealer that I use underneath my eye. So if you haven't tried this, for concealing your eyebrows, I definitely recommend it. Okay, so eyebrows are almost done. I go in with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara to calm my eyebrows, and it always works. Blow me. So now eyebrows are done. Moving on to eyeshadow. Obviously, we're going to be doing a little bit more of a glam look. I think I'm going to hop into Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. It's only like $20, which is super affordable for a great palette. And I'm also going to hop into Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think I'm going to start off with Sultry and go into Fresh, which is just bottom color. I did not explain that good at all. But I'm just going to put it all over my lid to set my lid. And next I'm going to go in with Birch as a transition shade. So I'm just going to take it on the outer corner, bringing it in circular motions and swiping motions. And you can always modify any of my looks. Like, if I'm starting off with a color and you think, well, I like where it's at in the middle of my look, well, you can leave it like that. It really doesn't, it depends on you. So you don't always have to go to the darkest color that I'm using. You can just go to maybe the first or the middle color if you think it's a little bit too much for you. So I'm just gonna keep building that up. This is where I want it as my transition shade. So I think I'm gonna move into Twig, which is a darker brown color. And I'm just gonna pop that on the outer corner of my eyelid and bring it inwards. Outer corner and bring it inwards. Next, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and apparently these don't have shades, I don't know. This dark brown color right here. And I'm also gonna go in with a small fluffy brush compared to we were using a big fluffy brush. Because I want it more concentrated on the bottom out corner of my lid. You can bring it up a little bit. Just tapping it on at first, and then we'll go back and blend with the big fluffy brush. Okay, now that it's on there, we're gonna go and blend with our big fluffy brush. And just circular motions, soft, so we don't disrupt all of that color that we just put on. Okay, so this is where I want it as far as my mattes. But I do want to go in with a shimmer. I think I'm going to use a shimmer from the Sultry palette. I think I'm going to go in with a mixture of Pearl, which is this white shimmery shade, and then Steampunk, which is this golder shade. I'm just going to kind of mix those together on a flat brush. And then I'm going to apply it on my inner lid. Alright, this is how I like it. I think it looks pretty good for a Valentine's Day look. So this is my eye look so far. I think I'm going to go in with my face now. So I'm going to use my Hangover primer. I've already moisturized and prepped my skin. I think my camera cut off while I was doing my primer. Anyways, moving on to my Lumi Glotion from L'Oreal. I'm just gonna put that underneath my foundation. So just kind of dot it and then rub it in to give my skin a little extra glow. So now I'm going to be going in with my foundation. Today I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm just going to go in with a brush to apply it. So I'm going to apply it pretty thick since I kind of want full coverage because it's fancy day, you know. I remember when I did a review on this foundation. Caked up. Moving on to concealer, my new favorite concealer is the Morphe concealer. Yeah, it's literally amazing. I normally use Tarte Shape Tape, but I was out and I was broke, and it's $30. So I picked up this one for $9, and it's legit amazing. Please don't judge my beauty blender. Please don't judge it. I know you're sitting at home watching this video and your brushes are dirty, so don't even try. So I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm gonna put a lot on because, like, I'm probably gonna be like sweating or something because South Georgia is bipolar with their weather. And we might be sitting outside on our date or something. So, just gonna pack it on there a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off with a clean brush. I'm gonna do my lower eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with Birch, which is that first transition shade that we used, and just line my bottom lower lash with it. It would also be really pretty if you had some white eyeliner and you put it on your lower lash line, but I'm just out and I'm broke, so yeah. I'm actually going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm using the Kaja Wink Stamp eyeliner. It's literally the best eyeliner I've ever tried. This was gifted to me. I just have to say that. but it's literally amazing though. A link of all the products will be in my description box, by the way. I literally was talking and I was not even filming. So, okay, so I do a little bit of a thicker line with my eyeliner, but my lashes are a little bit more dramatic, so it's gonna go with it. I'm using my Girl mascara from Too Faced. So I'm just gonna pop that on. Okay, so while I wait for my mascara to dry and to bronze up my face because I look extra pale today. I had self-tanner on, and I think that's why I feel so extra pale because I just scrubbed it off last night. So I feel just very pale and I feel kind of insecure, but it's okay. I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer, just swirling in circular motions along my cheekbones. And then up on my forehead. Now I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to be using my Smashbox Holidays palette to also do my nose. I will do a video on how to contour my nose if you guys want it, because it looks snatched and it wasn't snatched a second ago. So moving on to blush, I think for this Valentine's Day I want something a little natural looking as far as the color, and not on my face. So yeah, my thing is broken, so there's that, but I really love using this Real Techniques blush brush. I think it is limited edition. I don't know if they still sell it, but this is literally the best brush blush ever. Chart blush is in the shade Party. So this is a little trick that I've adapted to using. I saw something similar to it on the Tati's video where she had Scott Barnes do her makeup like J-Lo. And I just kind of picked up this little trick. So you get a baked bronzer. I'm using the Milani one in Dulce. And then you get a big fluffy brush, like a fluffy powder brush. Get in there and just kind of go along where you put your bronzer, like lightly. And it just it bronzes up your face so good, and it makes you look so much tanner than you actually are. And I like this one because it has a little bit of highlight in it, so it makes you super glowy. I'm obsessed with it. It just adds the final touch to my face, even though my face isn't done. I'm a really big fan of doing this. I don't think that's specifically how he did in the video. I honestly can't remember. I watched it forever ago. But I'll leave the video down below so you can guys kind of watch it. I love this cup so much, and I'm probably gonna get questions about it, so I'll leave the link below. It was from Amazon. It was literally like $12. Came with a straw, and I'm pretty sure it came with like a little cleaner too, but you can also do that thing. It's not sponsored or anything, but I just wanted to throw it out there because it's an amazing cup. Eventually I'll have enough products pulled together to do my Amazon favorites video. I'm so excited and ready for that, but I just haven't bought enough things from Amazon. I just started buying from Amazon the end of last year, so eventually I'll have enough products. So I'm going to skip my setting spray for this video because I simply don't want to get up to grab it, and it's across the room. So, yeah, there's that. But I am going to go ahead and put my highlighter on. I'm gonna be using a mix of the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Dry, and then my Amrezy highlighter, which I think is discontinued. I tried to look for it to buy some more, and I could not find it very easily. And I couldn't get a certain answer if it was discontinued, so if you guys know, let me know. So I'm just gonna mix those together. Valentine's Day, I want a blinding highlight so I can blind my man. Okay, so I'm gonna try out these new lashes. I guess I should look on the front for the name. They're Eyelure London and it looks like it's a collaboration with Jasmine Brown. So I'm just gonna try these suckers out. I have to cut them and everything. Do you hear my dog? Pookie, what's wrong? Hi, Lover Pie. What are you doing? You want some lovin's? So I'm gonna pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I'm kind of in between on them. I mean, they're pretty and everything, but they're not my favorite lashes. So it's kind of disappointing, but whatever. I'm just being honest about it though, because y'all want my honest opinion and I'm giving it to you. So I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss or liquid lipstick in Peachy. This came in the holiday set, but they have several other new colors similar to this. And since it's Valentine's Day, you could just as easily go with a red lip. I just personally love nudes, so I'm just going with this color. And now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Citrine. I'm just gonna pop that in the middle. It smells so good, oh my goodness. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you like it, because I like it. And this is just one of many ideas for your Valentine's Day date makeup. So I hope everybody has a date for Valentine's Day, whether it be your boyfriend, your husband, your friends, or your dog, because dogs are amazing and I would be happy to go on a date with my dog Pooker. So there's that. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.